friends, what's up? It's me, jabieguimar. So kung nakikita nyo guys, may dalawa tayong characters sa harapan natin, si Sasuke and Naruto. They are characters from Naruto series and Shippuden. Obviously guys, yes, I am a very big fan of Naruto. Kaya naman, I was so happy nung nagkaroon ng partnership yung Naruto series sa isang brand dito sa Philippines. And also, aside from that, because my brother-in-law has a toy shop here in Kidapawan City. Kung hindi nyo pa yun alam guys, na-vlog ko na yun, yung Kulot Toys by Kuya JR. So, ayan, if gusto nyo tingnan yun ulit, nandyan lang yun sa I button. And so, ngayon guys, i-unbox natin tong nabili kong toys and clothes. But before, sa clothing brand at saka toy shop, going to flex lang itong jacket. Ito guys, I bought this when I was in college. So, I bought this from Comic Alley. Inspired siya sa jacket ni Naruto. Yan. So, let's start opening na guys. So, first is etong bag. Ayan. And sa loob niya, ito, may picture pa ni Naruto. Ayan. Hat. May Konoha sign. Ayan. And actually, ayan. So, yun na nga guys. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, actually, itong mga bags na binili ko is actually from the clothing brand I was referring earlier. So, obviously, bumili ako ng mga clothes from them. And let's start opening itong mga t-shirt na nabili ko. First is this design number 1, ayan. And sa likod is yung Team 7 students. Ayan. Back to back ang design natin guys, ayan. And next is ang design natin sa harapan. And sa likod is we also have Sakura. Of course, hindi mabubuhan yung 7 kung wala ang main character natin na si Naruto. Ayan. Well, for some reason guys, hindi ko din mag-gets but siya lang ang color black. So, we have Kurama guys. Ito. The Nine-Tailed Fox. Kurama. And this, ito actually ang pinaka gusto ko sa lahat because sobrang cute ng design. Chibi version ni Naruto at Sasuke. This was, I think, during their fight scene. Diba, sobrang cute nila. And sa likod, mga characters, which is the same design from my tote bag, actually. Ito, kompleto na sila. Kasama na nila si Sensei Kakashi. Yeah. And sa likod, may nakalagay na Team 7. Aside from the t-shirt guys, ito talagang pinaka-excited ako pag-unbox ng mga toys na to. So, let's start with the Funko Pop. Ito guys, I'm so happy kasi nakompleto ko yung set nila. Ito, let's start opening them. Sasuke. Sakura, ayan. So, itong next ko naman ipapakita guys is ito yung pinaka-cool sa kanilang lahat kasi ito yung in their fighting mode sila. So, ito yung Vibration Star Collection. Ayan. So, ngayon, bubuksan na natin siya. So, ayan. Actually, madali lang to siyang i-assemble because apat lang yung parts niya. So, kagaya nito. Ayun. Ito yung fighting mode ni Sir Kakashi. Ito, kumpara kay Sir Kakashi, mas madami siyang parts. And lower body niya. Oh, let's start assembly, guys. Ating Sasuke fighting mode. Yes. So, ayan. So, next is we have this. Ito na actually ang pinakamahal sa kanilang lahat, guys, sa mga toys na to. Yung Grandista collection. And actually, itong dalawang to, mga Grandista sila. So, ang i-unbox natin ngayon is mga Shippuden series na ng Team 7. And dito, compare sa ating younger version, ito, kompleto na ang ating Team 7. So, parang katulad ng ating Funko Pop. So, we have here Sakura. So let's assemble. Yun, ito na si Sakura. Guys, this is his face. That's his face. So, ayan, ilalagay natin. His body. Yan. Pero actually guys, dalawa tong Kakashi ko kasi. Etong isa. Well, compare sa dito na Kakashi guys, etong Kakashi natin na second, meron siyang dalawang heads, naka-close mask, at saka itong dito sa right arm niya, pula siyang right arm kasi you have two choice kung anong ilalagay mo. Either book or pwede mong lagyan ng Chidori. Itong book ang ilalagay. And of course, our main character. So, kagaya ni Sasuke kanina, medyo creepy din yung head niya because you can choose 3 faces. Ayun na nga. So, ito na nga guys ang aking collections of Naruto toys. Aside from Naruto guys, I'm also collecting Marvel Cinematic Universe characters and Digimon characters. And hopefully soon, I can also vlog them. So, that's it for my vlog today guys. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!